It's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. So I have made about 10,400, almost $10,500 promoting one single offer, and I just uploaded 5 videos about this onto YouTube. Okay, so let me show you those videos first, and I will share you the story and everything. Okay, so first of all, this video right here. So I made ClickBank affiliate sales. So basically, I am just documenting my journey here. Okay, so there's one. And there is second one, that's an update video. Then there is third one, that's a case study video. Fourth one, it is a review video of the program. Fifth video, again a case study. This one is actually I know the campaign is live right now. It is still making me profits, and it has about 2.5k views. All right, so let me tell you what happened here. Okay, so I have purchased this program. So what really happened was, on Facebook, right, Anthony posted his results, right, several of his results on the feed, and I actually contacted him, and he said like this strategy worked really well for him, right? He has a course, and this is the course that I joined, right? It cost about $500 for me, so it's a little bit of investment, but I wanted to learn this, right? I had a budget for the paid ads as well, and I really wanted to, I had about like $800, but I didn't want to go blindly, right? I wanted to learn something. So I purchased for $500, right, this course, and used $300 to get into profits. So what I did was, once I started implemented, I started documenting this on a Google Doc right here. Okay, so this is the Google Doc, and I started this on 21st of November. So basically 1 year or 10 months, one year, I guess, right? So it's 4th of January 2024 right now. So yeah, like almost a year, right? And I actually made like about $300 in 3 days. So that was really motivating for me. So I kept at it. I promoted multiple products, and you can see it started to increase, right? It started to give me results, and ultimately it gave me massive results, right? So over the course of that year, right, about 6-7 months, like till 15th February, I updated this stock. I made about $11,000, from which $6,000, about 6,300 is in profits, which was absolutely amazing. Now, apart from documenting this right here on this Google Doc, what I did was I simply created a video, a faceless video, just like what I'm doing right now, and just documented, right? I got like, for example, I got 3 sales here, like 2 sales here. I made $300, and I created this ads, right? $400 here. So I think after that one, right? So I created that video, and then after a few days I created this video right here, and then I posted my case study and itself, and I created a review of this program right here, which is actually amazing, right? And people actually loved it, right? And they wanted to learn it, and I simply dropped my affiliate link here on the video itself, and also on this, on the Google Doc itself, right? Because why not? So I joined the affiliate program for this Super Affiliate Sniper program because it was amazing. I wanted to share it with the world, and I've been making money, right? And if you see it here with this Google Doc, so I put my affiliate link on this Google Doc. I made actually about $4,300, and with YouTube, like if I go to the description, so for example, where did that go? So for example, if I open that, you will see I actually added my affiliate link in here. Okay, for example, here is the free training about the strategy. So they go here to the webinar page, the training page. They watch the training and they buy the program, right? And so overall, with just YouTube, I have made about $7,000. And then there is FB Doc. So that means I actually posted about this on Facebook as well, right? About these results. So I actually made about 4 sales, which got me $800. All right, and this was on review, so this was actually from YouTube as well. And you see all this 111 sale. So actually people emailed me, people asked me over on Facebook how to join this program. So I gave them affiliate link by the tracking, right? So this was, and the person, this was from email. So someone emailed me, I gave them that affiliate link. So that's one. This is a person who contacted me on Facebook and emails, right? So you can see the strategy works. So what's the strategy? It's simply whatever that you're doing online, right? For example, you have purchased something, and it is you're working on it, right? You record it, you document it, just like I did here, right? And once it starts generate results, you share it with the world doing a YouTube video, a faceless YouTube video, right? There is no pressure really. No one is watching you on your on your house, right? You start recording the software, you start the recording software and record the video just like this one. All right, and what if you have shiny object syndrome, and what if you are simply buying courses after courses and it is not effective like this one? You can still monetize that. So how? So for example, if you go below, you can see these reviews that I do, right? I said Opal review, there is Amplify review. Now I am not doing this for the sake of doing negative reviews. This is an honest review, by the way, right? The program is actually trash. So if you go here, let me just go to the offers section real quick. Let me show you. Okay, so if you see here, here's the Amplify, right? It has about 500 sales, right? It is a trash product, but people are spending like a 500 plus sales are made. What you can do is you can see if you have purchased, like if you are one of the person who purchased this and you are not getting any refunds and the product is actually trash, you can actually go ahead and create a review like this, your honest opinion, right? If it's trash, say it's trash. If it's good, say it's good. If it's average, say it's average, right? So you do that, people will actually appreciate it. So you can see, right, what I do is I simply give them actual good recommendations, so they see this review. So whoever is searching for Amplify review knows that there is a product that's launched by that's called Amplify, right? So they are buyer traffic. I don't need a lot of views on this particular video. Like if it gets like 30-40 views, that means that person is in a buying mindset. They just wanted a second opinion to go ahead and purchase Amplify, but they come across my video and see what's the truth behind it, right? A lot of people just sell this for the sake of making money, right? But they see that you are honest, right? And that gets in their psychology, right? That this guy is genuine, and if he is recommending something else, then it must be good, right? And he goes ahead and he checks that out, checks that link. So for example, I added this link here. So if I go ahead and I open Pay Kickstart, I don't really promote products from here anymore, maybe 1 or 2 products, right? Just $18. But you can see that link, right? Where did that go? This link right here sends them to a training, okay? And that training, at the end of training, it just sells a product for $1, right? And for $1, that is an amazing training, by the way. You get all the foundation basics, all right? You will build a website, you will build a lead magnet, you will do everything, and you will learn how to do traffic for just $1, right? And if he decides to upgrade, that will be recurring revenue for me. If it doesn't, that's okay. He actually got something valuable by just spending $1. All right, so I'm doing good stuff here. So basically you can actually monetize everything by just documenting. If you have bad experiences, just document it. Just talk about it without using any camera, right? Just document it on a simple Google Doc like I did here, right? And it could result. So let me go back to, where did it go? To my dashboard here real quick. All right, so this is my dashboard, right? If you can see, I am not making a whole lot of sales. I'm not even promoting Wallet Plus offers that much, right? I'm just promoting one offer, right? At most 2 if something if someone launches a good product. But right now I'm just promoting one product, and you can see last 30 days, right? $900 here, right? Maybe 4 sales of this one translates to $952. Okay, so if I go ahead and click more, and I click on Super Affiliate Sniper here, and I click on all right here, then you will see I have made about $10,000 just by documenting this, just by documenting whatever that I'm doing. So that's why I'm doing these review videos that is barely getting any views. So for example, if you go below, you can see AI Video Pro. It's another trash product, just 152 views. But among those 152 views, there are buyers. Like there are people looking to buy something. They have credit cards open. So I'm stopping them from buying this product because it's actually bad by providing them an honest review, right? They go through my description, like I do recommend them something else. they could go through the description, and since they are in a buying mindset, they go ahead and buy the thing that I am recommending to them. That is something actually good. So I will actually leave a link to the training of this program and this doc as well if you want to check it out. And if you want to check out this one as well, right, I will do that too. For $1 you get a lot of value, and I hope you implement this strategy, and I hope you start documenting everything on a Google Doc and then start creating a YouTube. You don't really need a lot of views to actually make money. A few videos that actually get some traction, some views, can actually get you, some sales and commissions, and that can get you started. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and that will be all. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.